Okay guys, there we go, we are back again. Did you see what happened on lunchtime? Lunchtime we nailed it. So now we're having Christy. They call it like a Christy. That's tea time in branch. So this is how it's going to happen here. Guys, watch my quotes. My quotes, they will never tell you lies. My quotes, they will never tell you lies. Guys, I said a WhatsApp group is 300 rand once off payment. 300. And then the books, you will discuss them with me. To this 300 rand, you can also get the books. So this is what's going to happen. Let's see. I think our banker should be. Let's see. We have got 143 anish. Then, if we add, we got a 17. If we subtract, we got an 11. If we add again, we get 44. If we subtract, we get 42. So let's cross this. Then we're going to code 132. So code 132, it means there's 15. Code 123, it means there's also what, a 15. So now we're going to cross from this code. We take 23, we take 32. We say 15, 32, 15, 23. But because it's Christy now, you must understand that, you know what, Christy, she splits 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2, 1, 2, 3. Then the other case, if you see here, for example, there's 1 to 32, there's 123. Okay, cool. So there's a 13, let's say 13, there's a 32, there's a 23, then there's a 33 again. Watch that space. There's a 22 again, another twin. What the space? There's an 11 again. So do you see this cycle? This cycle might surprise you and give you actually a 4 number without any calculations. Because if you say if I say 1 plus 32, it gives me a what? A 33. If I subtract, it gives me 31. So which means 31 there is good. If I take 123 and say 1 and say 23 plus that, it gives me 24, which is a 42 on top there. If I say 1 minus 23 is 22. So do you see that this code is just accurate? We got this 22, we got 33, we got 13 or 31, we got 32 or 23. Around that figure, and then on top there we got 17 or 14. So according to the pairing that I can do, I'll just say 15, 23, 15, 32. Then I split 1, 2, 3. Then I come again 13, 32. Then I say 1, 32, 33. I say 1, 23, 24. Then you do this mirror, 32, 23. I'm going to do Make a Million as well, guys. Today at least you are lucky because I'm happy you're gonna get even Make a Million. So I was saying 13 plus 2 is 15, and then if I say 13 minus that, it's a what? It's an 11. 13 minus 2 is an 11. So if I say 12 minus 3 is a what? Is a 9. Do you understand that concept? So now, guys, without wasting any time, because it's Christy, so what I can say, I can just come here and say banker 23, banker 32, banker 15. Actually, I did not check the Wharton codes, but this is what I think is going to happen. Where did I get the 44? Okay, cool. So either way, I'll just put the 33 there. I'll just put the 14 is the 33. Okay, Christy loves 22. You guys must know. But that does not normally happen, to say, hey, this one loves this one loves that. And then here you say split, because it's Christian. If it's a split, you're going to say 143. That is Christy, that's how she does. Then here, if you say split, you say 132. At the end there, you say split, you say 12003. So remember, this is a pivot number, which is 123 or 123. Either way, because I don't have space, I was going to actually illustrate and show you how this thing goes. So it's all about a mirror. Actually, I was supposed to check how can I add this 23 now, because I need this 23 to be also here, But anyway, this is what we have. 2, 3. So I'm done, guys. Thank you very much. Come and join the group, and also come and purchase the books for the strategy so you can also be the master. Thank you very much.